everybody. This is Meghna Iyer, a founder of Crisscross Lingo. I'm a foreign language trainer and into the field since 20 years. So we train in every foreign language, you name it, we have it. At Crisscross Lingo, we bridge communication gaps by crossing the boundaries of language. To have another language is to possess a second soul. And believe me, it's a fact. Take it up and you can check it yourself. We at Crisscross Lingo believe that living a fast-paced life involves change, a new way of doing things, and constant adoption of communication skills. So to achieve a good language is good. We teach Chinese, English, French, German, Japanese, and Spanish through fun learning methods and not deep rote learning. It builds confidence. I'm not going to go through whole of the this thing because there's lots of matter for you guys to read. I will send it on the group. You can read. At what age should one start learning a new language? Exactly at the age of 4. The lesser the age, the better. They pick up. Children are like sponge. They can take in anything that you put through them. That's why I'm having this small workshop starting from the age from 5 to 10 for kids. For the Christmas, Santa Claus has told us this message that have it for the children. So we are having this all free to register to me. According to the academic research that we found out, linguists have demonstrated that there is not a single best method. So each one has a different method of teaching, but here we make children learn in their own way in the same stories, readings, puppets, and other methods also. We paint and trace for young children with different materials, molding Chinese and Japanese characters, creating characters and alphabets with yarns and beads, and matching games. So it's like when you're at a play school till class 1, whatever they do in English, they are doing it in the other language that they are learning also. We have different types of courses. Toddlers Discovery course. The picture here can show how we teach in different easy methods. Singing and dancing are also a part of our program. These are the following courses we conduct: Toddlers Discovery course, Youth Language Training, Corporate Trainings, Language Training as per prescribed certification, Tradesman course, Explorer course, Communicative course, Fast Track course. I would just tell, since you are edupreneurs, I would want to put this in you. Tradesman course is a course which we train you in the particular language. And then after that, we give you the last 2-3 lectures we customize it according to your business or your vendor, whatever you want to learn about it to showcase your product. So that is a customized few lectures that we give to tradesmen. We have different language certified courses, which the details will follow in this. Then we have corporate training. Is your company branching out to overseas? You need Crisscross Lingo. Or perhaps you're doing business with foreign partners? Yes, you need Crisscross Lingo. So we will help you to bridge the language and cultural gap between your youth language training course from 7 to 15 years. Learning the language for your employees, how does that benefit? When you offer your employees a language course, it will be beneficial to your company. First, the main thing, I believe it motivates them to do better, and it will improve communication between your foreign and domestic staff. It will improve relationships with clients, suppliers, and buyers. So that you learn different culture. And here we have customized courses for everybody. We do one-to-one training also according to your time. So if you have work with office, you can do it either in the weekends or early morning or even in the night. So any time is good for Crisscross Lingo family. We are all teachers who can work 24/7 for our passion. So we don't get tired. So we have these are the different certified courses that we offer. The DELF, the details are there. I don't want you to be a little bored by reading all this because I get bored when people show me so much. So I assume that I'm going a little fast. These are all the levels that are there in the certified course of French, which you go step by step. And according to if you have to go for a PR to Canada, you need A1, A2, and B1 for extra points. Mandarin, well, it is the most running language between businessmen. So in Mandarin, we have also levels HSK 1 to HSK 5 for better communication, and you can appear for your examinations and get yourself certified from the government of the particular country that we are studying the language of. Spanish, again, we have the Delhi exam, which you can give after you finish your A1, A2, B1, B2, C1. German, again, the same follows. Japanese also, it goes reverse, N5, N4, N3, N2, N1. It goes reverse in Japanese. And believe me, guys, Japanese is the most in language now after China has stopped doing all this business with China. Japanese companies are coming up. It's really worth learning them. To talk to somebody in their own language makes them feel more closer to you, and it improves your relationships. This is the tradesman course that I was talking about for you guys. You can communicate for your business related affairs in more confident manner. It's a total customized course. And if you are a group, it is much the better. We also have interpretation and translation services in all the languages. We have a traveler's course. You can call it a survival course in case you are going there or your children are going there to visit it, or you are just going for some business meetings for some time. You can do a super fast survival course or traveler's course, wherein we give you little instructions about the culture there, how to book, do your reservations, how to ask for things there, how to bargain if you are going with your wives to buy something. So both of you can be a win-win situation. Even your money will be saved and wife will be also too happy. So next time you plan a holiday international, you can. So for further more details, you can contact Crisscross Lingo, based out of Ahmedabad, and I am on Facebook also, as well as my website. So contact me on this number. And I must tell you guys one more thing, that we have even entered the regional market. So we are going to teach all the regional languages also to all age groups. So that could be Malayalam, Telugu, Kannada, Tamil, Punjabi, Gujarati, you name it, we have it. So welcome to Crisscross Lingo, and add lots of feathers in your cap, make it heavy and showcases to everybody. Thank you so much to give me this opportunity to present my business, and I will be putting up the video as well as another thing on your my presentation on the group, so you can look forward and read it to get more information about me. Thank you very much.